Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about this wonderful app I recently came across, which is called the Healofy app. So the best part about this app is it's India's largest women's social networking site, which connects more than 10 million women. So this app is mostly focused on helping women with parenting and pregnancy related stuff. I must say this is a great app for all the ladies out there who are really confused and unable to understand what to do. Apart from pregnancy related stuff, they also cover different categories such as beauty, fashion, lifestyle. They also have fitness, nutrition, healthy recipes and much more. And I really want to mention that this app comes in different regional languages of India. They have around 8 languages which includes Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Malayalam, Telugu. So it won't be a problem if you don't understand English properly. You can still go ahead and use this app because you will get answer in your language. So it won't be a problem at all. So I would like you all beautiful ladies to come join me in this beautiful community of 10 million Indian women on India's only women-only networking site. The best part is this app is currently running a campaign called #Healofy is back. So if you participate in this campaign, you can get a chance to win Hyundai i20. Yes, it's not a joke. You really can win Hyundai i20. And if not that, you can surely get cash prizes. So please go ahead, download this app and participate in this campaign. I will put all the details in the description box below, so please make sure to check that out. So I guess that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.